Hey everybody, it's Jason here. Tonight I'm giving you a new review on a limited time item. I haven't been here in a while, but I decided to try Chick-fil-A. They have a new Pretzel Chicken Club sandwich. So you can get it in the regular fried chicken, the spicy fried, or the grilled. It comes with cheddar cheese, bacon, lettuce, tomato on a pretzel roll with packs of creamy Dijon mustard. So I ordered I ordered 2 of the packs of mustard with mine. Did this to go and just got the sandwich, no sides or anything like that. So here we go. I'm gonna try and keep this one short. But first, the chicken. All right, let's see what we got. All right. So they did give me napkins. So like I said, I ordered this with everything that comes on it. There's well, first disappointment. There is no Dijon mustard. Unless they glued it to the bag or something. Okay. Well, they're not batting 1,000 right now. So let's see what is going on. I'll show you this. The bun looks delicious. Under the hood, looks like the normal buttered bun from Chick-fil-A. At the top is a nice pretzel. Plenty of lettuce. And I'm just going to peel back the layers here and see what we got. We got tomatoes. I'm dissecting now because I'm a little irritated without the sauce. Looks like a good amount of bacon here. 3 nice pieces. There is chicken. I'm going to put this back down. I'm hoping that there's sauce. Yeah, there's chicken on the bottom. Bun. Not even any pickles on this. They don't even give you any pickles. Okay. All right. I'm a little frustrated right now. I'm going to give this a bite, but this is going to be a quick review. Hopefully this blows me away. It smells really good. It smells very sweet. And that could be that part of that maple bacon. But anyway, let's give it a try. Going in. I won't lie, that is that's pretty good. That's probably one of the thicker pieces of chicken I've got from Chick-fil-A in like 2 years. I mean, their chicken has gotten really dinky. This was $7.69 plus tax in my local area. So no size, no, I mean basically it was like $8.50 with tax for just a sandwich. Give it one more bite here and I'm not mad. I'm a little upset I didn't get the sauce that they advertise in the commercial or their website, that makes the sandwich. When you say something in your ad that this comes with it, that's a big deal to me. But I didn't get that, but that's okay. This is a very good sandwich. The pretzel roll is not salty like a pretzel. It's almost sweet. unlike any other bun I've had. I really like this. Maybe they'll keep it on the menu. We'll see. But I definitely will make sure if I get it again. Maybe not. But if I do, I would ask or check my bag and make sure I get the sauce. Anyway, I would recommend giving it a try. And have some sauce at home. All right. Peace.